Exercise 2.3, first question. Which of the following relations are functions? Give reasons. If it is a function, determine its domain and range. So first one, 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1 and 17, 1. Which are in ordered pairs, which is a relation. All the elements 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 in the domain of a relation which corresponds to unique image 1. Hence, this relation is a function. Then we have to write domain and range. Domain, the first element in an ordered pair or domain, and the second element in an ordered pair are range. So domain is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. And range is the second element, which is 1. Second one, the relation is given in ordered pair 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5, 12, 6, 14, 7. Here all the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 of the relation corresponds to unique image. That is, 1 is the image of 2, 2 is the image of 4, or 6 image is 3, 8 image is 4, etc. So all the elements of the relation corresponds to unique image. Hence it is a function. Then we have to write what is domain and range. So domain is the first element in an ordered pair and range is the second element in an ordered pair. So domain is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and range is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Third one, 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 5. Here the element 1 of the domain of the relation corresponds to two different images 3 and 5. So if we take any two sets, so one element which corresponds to two different images. Hence this relation is not a function. Second one, find the domain and range of the following real functions. So f of x equal to minus of modulus of x. So modulus of x can take values of positive or negative. So x, if x is greater than or equal to 0, it is minus x if x is less than 0. Then what is f of x? F of x is minus of modulus of x. So minus of x, which is x greater than or equal to 0, and x is less than 0. Since f of x is defined for all x belongs to R, the domain of f is R, that is real number. Domain is real number. For all the real value of x, the value of modulus x always remain positive. I am repeating, for all the real value of x, the value of modulus x always remain positive. Therefore, modulus x is always positive. Therefore, the value of minus modulus of x always be negative. Hence, the range is minus infinity to 0. Since minus of modulus of x is always negative, hence range is minus infinity to 0. Second subdivision, f of x equal to root of 9 minus x square. We have to find the domain and range. So 9 minus x square is greater than or equal to 0. Subtracting 9 on both the sides, we get minus x square is greater than or equal to minus 9. Then if we change the sign, then inequality will change. Then x square is less than or equal to 9. So put x square equal to 9, then we get x is equal to plus or minus 3. So x takes values in between minus 3 and plus 3. So domain is minus 3 comma 3 in a closed interval. Now we have to find range y equal to root of 9 minus x square. Squaring on both the sides, we get y square equal to 9 minus x square. Then changing x and y, then x square equal to 9 minus y square. So 9 minus y square is less than or equal to 9. Since x square is less than or equal to 9, so x square is 9 minus y square, which is less than or equal to 9. So subtracting 9 on both the sides, we get minus y square is less than or equal to 0. Now we are going to change the sign, then the inequality also will change. Then we get y square is greater than or equal to 0. So y is greater than or equal to 0. So x square is less than or equal to 9. That means x square is greater than or equal to 0. So we are writing x square as 9 minus y square, which is greater than or equal to 0. So subtracting 9 on both the sides, we get minus y square is greater than or equal to 0. Now changing the sign, we get y square is less than or equal to 9. That is y, which is lies between minus 3 and plus 3. So comparing these two, y is greater than or equal to 0 and y lies between minus 3 and 3. So neglecting this part, we get y is lies between 0 and 3. Then we say range is 0 comma 3 in a closed interval. Third one, a function f is defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 5. Write down the values of f of 0, f of 7 and f of minus 3. So f of 0, substitute the value of x. So 2 into 0, minus 5. 0 minus 5 is minus 5. And f of 7, substitute the value of x as 7. 2 into 7, 14. 14 minus 5, which is equal to 9. Again f of minus 3, 2 into minus 3, minus 5, which is equal to minus 6 and minus 5, equal to minus 11. Fourth one, the function t which maps temperature in degrees Celsius into temperature in degree Fahrenheit is defined by t of c equal to 9c by 5 plus 32. So first we have to find t of 0. Substitute the value of c in t of c. We get 9 into 0 plus 32. So t of 0 is 32. Then t of 28. Substitute the value of c as 28. Then 9 into 28 by 5 plus 32. Which is 252 plus 160 by 5, which is equal to 412 by 5. Then have to find t of minus 10. So substitute the value of c. So 9 into minus 10 by 5 plus 32. Cancelling this, you get minus 18 plus 32, which is equal to 14. Then fourth part, have to find the value of c when t of c equal to 212. So it's given t of c, we have to find the value of c. So 212, which is equal to 9c by 5 plus 32. So we can write this as 9c by 5, which is equal to 212 minus 32, which is equal to 0, 8, 180. So 9c by 5 equal to 180. So 9c equal to 180 into 5 by 9. Cancelling this 20 times. So 20 into 5, which is equal to 100. So when t equal to 212, then c is 100. Fifth one, find the range of each of the following functions. First subdivision, f of x equal to 2 minus 3x, x belongs to R, x is greater than 0. So range means set of values of f of x. It's given that x is greater than 0. Now I'm going to multiply 3 on both the sides. So 3x is greater than 0 into 3 is nothing but 0. So 3x is greater than 0. Now we are going to change the sign on both the sides. So minus 3x less than 0. If you change any sign, then the inequality will change. So minus 3x is less than 0. Now I'm going to add 2 on both the sides. So 2 minus 3x less than 2. What is 2 minus 3x? Which is nothing but f of x. So f of x is less than 2. Now we have to find range. So range will be, what is f of x is less than 2 means the number line will be minus infinity to plus infinity. So it's 2. So minus infinity to 2. Since f of x is less than 2, then range is minus infinity to open interval. Second one, f of x equal to x square plus 2. X is a real number. We know that x square is greater than or equal to 0. Adding 2 on both the sides, x square plus 2 is greater than or equal to 2. What is x square plus 2? Which is nothing but f of x. F of x is greater than or equal to 2. In range is 2 to infinity open interval. Then third one is f of x equal to x. X is a real number. So when x is a real number, then x is greater than 0. Then f of x is greater than 0. So domain is R and range is also R.